Ini dia Santapan Village. Dia dekat corner sini.
I'm quite fazed by the interior. Ikan patin masak tempoyak. This is the catfish now. Awesome! Pada yang belum subscribe tu, sila subscribe. Terima kasih.
Hi geng awesome, we are at Santapan Village, Taman Sentosa. Kita dekat Santapan Village, Taman Sentosa. Kat sini ada ikan patin masak tempoyak. We have ikan patin masak tempoyak and ulam and those very traditional dishes down here. So let's check it out. Go! Ini dia Santapan Village. Dia dekat corner sini. Kat ujung sekali. This one is at the corner. So this is called Santapan Village.
Now let's go in. Nice interior, very cozy, very kampung style. Memang style kampung lah dia punya interior. Kita tengok menu dia pula. Ni ikan patin masak tempoyak or catfish, cooked in tempoyak. We are ordering the fish head. So they have udang galah as well or lobster. Then asam pedas. They have gulai kawah baling. Gulai kawah baling is from Kedah. Okay, Kedah dishes or Perak. Then of course they have this lemak cili api. Then they have all the bakar, all the ikan bakar and all that. Ayam bakar. And the drinks, fresh fruit drinks. Ikan bakar pais tempoyak, right? Fermented, tempoyak is fermented durian. So either you like it or not lah. Then air asam, which is tamarind water. So they have ayam bakar or ikan bakar. Then there's lots more lah. Mainly traditional dishes. Makanan-makanan tradisi atau snack pun ada. Goreng pisang, cucu udang. So they have goreng pisang and all that lah. And of course they have some ulam or Malay salad.
Nanti kita order kepala ikan.
Boleh lah. Kepala ikan boleh lah. Sedap juga Anak-anak ni nanti yang tak pedas apa-apalah Okay, I'm quite fazed by the interior. Okay, which is inspired by kampung. Okay, tengok dia punya konsep macam kampung rumah kampung, kayu-kayu semua. Jadi interesting jugalah dia punya interior tu. Klasik. Ni ulam pun dah sampai. Ulam-ulam dia salad This is the Malay salad. Now they serve in tepin. Okay, or this kind of container, very classic one. Ni ayam goreng dia, the fried chicken with onions. Yang ini pula ikan patin tempoyak. This one is the ikan patin tempoyak or catfish in fermented durian. Now the smell is quite strong. Interesting dishes, traditional dishes. Air pula serve macam gini. The drinks are served in this kind of mug, very classic mug. Tempat dia tengok bekas tempat minum ni pun klasik Dulu-dulu punya style. Kita order jus apple hijau or green apple juice. Nak rasa ni dulu. Ikan patin masak tempoyak. This is the catfish. Now, ikan patin ni memang ada macam lemak-lemak sikit So it's nice. It's quite tasty, the meat. Okay, there's some fats. Okay, let's try the food. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ikan patin ni kalau tak masak betul-betul, if it's not fresh, it have a fishy smell. Memang hamis kalau tak masak betul. Rasa lagi. Nak rasa ni sambal dia pula. Sebenarnya aku ni tak tahan pedas Pedas juga ni. Minum sikit. Now this is the chicken I want to try. Nak rasa jugalah dia punya ayam ni nampak macam luar crispy dalam lembut. Okay, it's quite tender in the inside but crispy on the outside. Let's try. Kat sini ada bawang goreng dia sekali. So these are the onions that is fried as well. So it's quite tasty. Let's try.
Ni dia tepin This one is an old lunchbox, classic lunchbox. Kampung expired interior. Alhamdulillah, dah kenyang pun So this dish about ikan patin, one thing is very lemak. Lemak that means there's some fattiness to the meat of the ikan patin. So now that time we discovered this dish when we are on the way to Terengganu. Right, so at the R&R we eat there's some dishes that sell along there is ikan patin masak tempoyak. So now we don't need to go all the way up there because it's a farm dish. So right here in JB, okay, we can have it. So see you in the next episode. Awesome.
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
and share.